Iloilo right now is, alam mo, they need to start playing well, especially with that we showed in the screen yung 3-game stretch nila, hindi rin na mabigat rin, especially their next game.
When he was in high school where he was such a feared scorer.
Oo. You know, look at Mark Nonoy there. Running. Alam mo, ina-outrun yung lahat eh. Tatlo na humabol eh.
I wish we could have a speedometer and a timer every time he runs the floor. Fast, as we look at it once again, his run out right here, drawing the foul. Our referees thought of Bidarang from Bataan. Now let's turn you over to Mika Bisamis.
They're losing by 10-11 against the Rice Vanguards.
The back of your bench every game. I'm sure it will be a +10 in every department for you.
Oo. Again, just showed in our screen 9.
Berjay now hands it off to Ray De La Rosa. We've action here for Iloilo. Nonoy gets the DHO. Nonoy from the elbow gets the bounce. Shoot from the outside, slash inside, but more so being relied more for their defense. Great Capasso. Nakahanap na naman ng libre.
Coach Raymond itong si Rafi Reyes and itong si Marvin Lee and Mark Yu will be vital doon sa kanyang rotation.
Only the second basket of the game there for Mark Nonoy. And Mark Nonoy will initiate it. Nonoy gives it up, gets it back. 7 seconds left. Nonoy all the way, passes it up last minute. RB Berjay finishes the play.
Lang talaga fully ni Rafi yung kanyang outside shooting. I think maganda, napakaganda ng naging career na to in the pros.
RB Berjay scoring on that drop pass from Mark Nonoy. Blue to green connection.
Imagine, parang hindi nagbago eh. The way he plays during his time with the College of St. Benilde.
Get it to Shaq Alanes, barely grazing iron on the 3. Catsino is cherry picking on the other side. What's happening? Charles Arena joining in on the party.
Oo. And again, you talk about quality.
Ray De La Rosa definitely exudes that right now. From the outside, three-pointer is good. We now enter the twilight zone. The final 2 minutes brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original online basketball ending sa Pinas.
Yung gut feel lang ng mga coaches eh. Okay, who do you need doon sa situation? And he started the game very well. Okay, made Coach Raymond decide to insert him back to replace Charles Burgos.
Oh, that decision turned out to be cold para sa kanila. Nonoy gets 2 out of 2 once again. It gets the bounce. Not the play they wanted, but definitely the play they need. 73-72. Mark Nonoy with a quick answer.